Hello, this is my video for Professor Andrew Wheeler's CIS 3367 final. In this video, I choose to do a solver analysis on Starbucks recipes with the cell simulation. All recipe information is referring to copycat.com. It is a website that provides users various recipes of all types of food around the world, which helps me build a simulation about Starbucks product. First of all, products involved in this simulation include caramel macchiato, mocha latte, caramel frappuccino, green tea latte, hot chocolate, and chai latte. Let us start to take a look at the cell simulation. The analysis structures as ingredients involved in products, the amount of ingredient cost to produce a type of products, total inventory available, profit pre-order, order quantity, profit by products, and lastly, total profit. The goal in this analysis is to maximize the profit by simulating the product with the highest profit rate. Before we start the solver analysis, we need to establish some function. Calculation of inventory used, which is a summation of same ingredient used in each product times amount of orders, and the entire Rule 14 works in the same manner. Then comes to the profit by product, which would be the profit per order times order quantity. It will give out the revenue earned by each product. Lastly, the total profit calculation will be the summation of all profits by product to see the revenue earned by using available inventory. Now, let us start the solver function to maximize our profit. The solver is located under Data tab, and it usually appears as the last group. After opening it, the first thing we need to do is to set the objective to the total profit, which is the objective to maximize in this case. Then we would achieve the objective by changing cells that contain the order quantity. Following that, it comes to the constraint section, which we would use to make sure the analysis could follow the expectation. In this case, I place constraints to limit the inventory used and order quantities. So the inventory used would not exceed the inventory available, and this should greater than equal to 0. And for the order quantity, I also place the constraint for greater than 0. And also this should be limited to integer. In my first try, I did not place the constraint for integer for order quantity. So two of this number came out with decimal. Apparently, you cannot order the half coffee, so they're wrong. And the second time after I place constraint, the number comes like this. And after you finish your constraints, you can click solve button at the bottom, and it will appear a tab that give you the choice to generate a answer report and save the number at the same time. Lastly, let's start to take a look at my answer reports. As I mentioned before, my answer report 1 shows that I have decimals for the order quantity, which does not make sense for in this case, because usually people do not order half coffee. So I need to add a string in my solver to limit it on my order quantity to integer. So it comes to the answer reports 2, which I have a 0.15 decrease in the total profit and 0.5 decrease in caramel frappuccino and chai latte. The final value should be the $1,428.80. In addition to the Starbucks worksheet, you may see a negative number in the inventory left row because I mistakenly I modified a number in the ingredient used, so it generates more inventory than it should be. And thanks for watching.